Hi everybody, join us as we head to Atlantic City in style. We start our journey at Sanford Airport, where we check in for our VIP charter flight with Caesars Rewards on Sun Country Airlines. From the moment we arrive, it's clear this isn't your average flight. It's a smooth, exclusive ride straight to the fun and excitement of Atlantic City. Now, if you have forgotten anything for your trip, there is a Hudson store that you can pick something up. And it is right across from where the gate area is to go upstairs. Getting to the second floor, you can either take an escalator or an elevator, which brings you to this area here. In case you have something that you shouldn't be bringing with you on through security, you can either pour it, pitch it, send it, dump it. After we got through security, we noticed that the plane was at the gate for an on-time departure, and the crew was doing their safety check walking around. So we will be on our way in a moment. Today, the aircraft we will be flying on is the Boeing 737-800, and here is the safety guide, and also a listing of all of the snacks and drinks that you can get. We are now on our way. We're taxiing out. Here we go. Wheels up. Once we did get up to a comfortable altitude, the flight attendants did come around and they did offer us drinks. It could be alcohol or non-alcohol and snacks. The menu was very limited because it was a charter air flight. And we just landed. This is at the airport. It's a beautiful mural. We are staying at the Tropicana. We did have a choice of either Tropicana, which is on the boardwalk side, or Harrah, which is on the Marina side. And here is our room. We are staying in the Havana Tower, room 5432. Tropicana does have 5 towers: the Chelsea Tower, the Havana, North, South, and West. So when we got off the flight, there were buses waiting for us, transported us to the hotel, and then when we got to the bus stop, there was a host waiting with our key, so we didn't have to stand in line. This has been most seamless experience that we've had. This is also the second time that we have come on Caesars Air Travel Rewards, and we will do it any other time that they do invite us to come. This is a view from our room. So for my husband and I, for the both of us to go with the transportation to and from the airport, the flight, the room, it was $100 for both of us. So definitely would do this again. So I am going to show you downstairs once we do get settled in the room. This is the first time that we do stay at the Havana Tower, and it's beautiful. Hi everybody, we are Mary and Glen's Adventure. We are staying at the Havana Tower at Tropicana in Atlantic City. Tropicana has 5 towers, the North, South, West, Havana, and Chelsea. And we have stayed in all of the other towers, but this is the first time that we are staying at the Havana Tower. So we just came out of the elevator, and here is going down to the casino. We have 10 more free games. We are 25 of 60 games right now. We're at 50 cents a game. So far we went over $100. If you get a heart, that spins everything. There's Queenie. There's a heart. Let's go. Let's get something good. I'm 10. What do we get? There's our heart. Let's go. 20 games, 20 games. Times 10. So we are playing 50 cents a game, and we won $110.